Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a fake Windows blue screen, also known as the BSOD, quickly and for free. First, open your browser. I'm using Google Chrome. Paste and open the link in the description below. Once the website loads, you'll see different types of fake blue screen errors. Choose the blue screen style you want, for example, the Windows 10 BSOD. Then choose your update time. Next, choose your starting time. After that, click on Restart. To make it look real, click on the full screen icon. Now your screen looks exactly like a real Windows blue screen error, perfect for pranking friends or using as a visual effect. To exit the fake blue screen, just press the S key or press F11 again. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.